This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, coordinated attacks have led to the collapse of the United States government and infrastructure. Major cities, including Washington, D.C., New York City, Los Angeles, and Chicago, have been devastated. The President and key members of Congress are confirmed dead. Martial law is declared nationwide. All civilians must remain indoors and seek shelter. Essential services are severely disrupted. The National Guard and military forces are deployed to maintain order. Prepare for an extended period without governmental support. Gather essential supplies. Stay tuned to local media for further instructions and updates. Emergency services are prioritized for critical situations only. Do not panic. Follow local authorities' instructions and cooperate with emergency personnel. Keep communication lines open for essential use only. Updates will be provided as more information becomes available. Stay tuned to this frequency for further instructions. This message